Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Vizio TV if it won't turn on and you're seeing a blinking or flashing light. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If this fixed your problem, great. If not, this next fix should almost definitely fix your problem. Look around on the back or the sides of your Vizio TV and see if you can find a bunch of buttons there. Usually they have the power button, volume button, etc. Okay, while the TV is turned on, I want you to hold down the volume down and input buttons both at the same time for about 15 seconds. After about 15 seconds, if you look at the front of your Vizio TV, you will see a message that says to reset, press just the input button for 10 seconds. Just press the input button now for 10 seconds and the factory reset will begin.